So what do we have here? This is a car that a buddy of mine has ran a couple times, and I have an idea. You guys heard about recycling? I'm going to try to recycle a lot of this car. Here's the reason why I bought this. Subframe's bent. Not super bad, but it's bent. He's got some plates on it. Front frame is bent. You know, the car's been through a couple derbies. That's an 80s Grand Prix bumper on it. It's pretty messed up as well. Struts are both pretty good in the front. Interior is still mostly there. Computer's moved. It's full of scrap right now, but that's okay. We got it tied down. This tire's not turning, but I think it's just because it's pushed into body metal. And this one here is turning, but the real damage that was done to it took him out, that he no longer wants it. I believe he's had the car almost 2 years, a year and a half now, was he broke this tie rod, and he said that's enough, because I'm pretty sure he broke this tie rod in the past before. So I'll inform you guys what I'm going to do with this. He's actually a local supporter as well, Zacks Workshop. So I picked this car up for scrap price. I do not plan to run it. It is just a little bit past where I want my cars to be. It's filled with a couple pieces of scrap and junk from other cars. So we're just going to throw some more ratchet straps on this. But I got a plan for this. My original plan was to pull the transmission, and I'm still going to do that. But I think I got a little bit more in stock and store for this thing. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be getting this thing home and doing some work to it. So thanks for watching, but stay tuned. So I bought this Lumina here quite some time ago with a plan to pull this motor out and throw it into a Toyota Camry. That was my original plan. But then I got thinking, like, it doesn't look that bad. He says that it was running a little rough afterwards. He thinks the computer got wet, but I'm willing to take a chance on it. I'm debating, do I throw a gas tank into this? Do I throw a battery into this? And do I try to get one more run out of it? I don't know. The front frame is pretty pooched. He's got quite a bit of plates down there, and that kind of limits to where I can take it. But if I leave those plates, I have to take it to more of a mod show. But if I cut them, the car's pretty much junk. But I don't know, it'd be a good car just to leave in the backyard. And if we need anything, it's here. It needs a tie rod and a tire. As far as I've been told, it needs a tie rod and a tire. It's probably going to need pulled out because it's really jam backed in there. But I've had this car now for probably a month and a half, and I just haven't decided what I want to do with it yet. So I don't know. Tell me, guys, down in the comments if you want to see me run this thing again. It's not my car. It's not built by me. Or do you think it's just better for parts? Because oh, look at that subframe. Oh God. I don't know. Every time I look at this thing more and more, I'm thinking it's better just for parts. But let me know down in the comments. I've had it for a while, and I bought it just for the motor and transmission. And I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Take care. We'll see you back here tomorrow.